In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. If a website needs to open pop-up windows for sign-ins, payments, downloads, or other features, disabling the pop-up blocker can help. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Under Default Behavior, select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This disables Chrome's built-in pop-up blocker and allows pop-ups on websites. If you only want to allow pop-ups for a specific website, leave the blocker enabled. Under the Allowed to Send Pop-ups and Use Redirect section, click Add, enter the website address and click Add again. Chrome will allow pop-ups only for that site. If pop-ups are still being blocked, check whether you have a pop-up blocking extension installed. Click the extensions icon, open Manage Extensions, and temporarily disable any ad blocker or pop-up blocker extension that's preventing pop-ups. That's how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.